Hey guys, Father and Son Adventures of Iowa. Today I'm going to show you kind of my progression of learning, a learning curve on filling air mattresses for sleeping on. This is the StanSport 6-chamber air mat, and when you actually blow into these, it takes quite a bit of pressure. It probably takes 15-20 minutes to fill this up. Looking at other YouTube video ideas on how to fill up mats, most people say don't fill them up with your lungs because of all the moisture that you're blowing into there, and if it gets 30-40 degrees out, then that moisture just adds to conduction, taking the heat out of your body. So I'm actually going to show you how to fill it up with a trash bag and an ink pen. But first I'm going to show you what I started out with last year. I bought this electric pump. I just got it at Walmart and it was like 10 bucks. You know, if you're going to go car camping, this is the way to go if you're not going to be hauling it into the woods and stuff. It takes 6 C-cell batteries, so there's a lot of weight here. This probably weighs about 4 pounds. It does come with an adapter that allows you to put into the nozzle. It doesn't work real well. These nozzles are just a little bit too small, but it does work very well on the Intex mats. I've got one of those also. It's just one nozzle. It's a little bit larger and it works really good. But you know, when you're out in the woods and if you want to stay stealthy, that's no way to do it. You can hear that from a long ways away. So another idea that I had was I found these at Harbor Freight Tools. It's just a multi-purpose, multi-use transfer pump. You would use this to siphon out a gas tank or siphon out fluids from an engine or something like that. I haven't used that for any of this yet. I've used this once to fill water from a creek into a 2-liter bottle so I could put my Sawyer filter on it. I'll do a video on that. But it does come with like a bicycle pump type of an adapter, and this actually works pretty well. It fits in there really nice, and it really doesn't take very long at all to inflate. You can have this whole mat inflated in about 10 minutes. And it works out pretty good. So, but then it's less than a pound. It's probably a ½ pound. I mean, it's all plastic or rubber. Kind of bulky. Doesn't move a lot of volume, so it takes a while to work on. But so then I saw a John on Intense Angler. I'm going to give him credit because I don't embellish anything. Was showing a video on how to inflate an air mat with, I think he had a straw, it might have been an ink pen, and a trash bag, and I've got a rubber band here. So I'm going to get that set up, and we'll just show you how quickly it works. Stay with us. Okay guys, I've cut the corner off this trash bag, and I'm just going to simply insert the bottom part of an ink pen, which I've also trimmed off the edge here, and I'm not 100% certain that's going to work because this was actually set up. Nah, it's not going to work. This was actually set up for the Intex mat that I have. It actually was a little bit larger, so I'm going to use the bottom of this ink pen. Instead, insert that in there like that, and I'm going to use my rubber band to go around it. And then you open up your trash bag to get your volume of air in there. I'm going to insert this into the inlet like that. Gather it up. And just put your weight on it. More air in the bag. It's all about volume. You want to use a pretty sturdy trash bag too. This is a real thick plastic trash bag. You know, your tall kitchen bags are probably not going to be strong enough. I'd use like a contractor bag, that's what these are, only they happen to be fairly clear. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's a good transfer of air there. Fill the bag up with air again. I gotta tell you, this is a whole lot easier than just huffing and puffing on this thing. times to do it. So, and then you just remove that ink pen and put your plug in. You get the idea. And this weighs, well, you guys know what the trash bags weigh. Absolutely nothing. I mean, you probably have 2 or 3 of these in your backpack already. Anyway, just a tip to pass on. You're not out of breath. I mean, you got plenty of time when you're out in the woods. That's what you're out there for, just to relax. And literally about 10 minutes you can have this mat filled up, and then you still have all your energy and all your breath left. So thanks for watching. Father and Son Adventures out.